everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm excited to share another gluten and dairy-free recipe for you all. This recipe I have been making every single night without fail. After dinner, it's a total treat. It's basically like eating soft serve ice cream, which is why I really like it. And I had it at a hotel recently and it was so good. The only problem was it was a total calorie and sugar bomb, which is not good. So it's okay once in a while to treat yourself like that, but I thought, hey, if I want to eat this more often, I really need to find a way to make this at home and make it a lot more healthy. But I didn't stop there. I wanted to add in even more nutritional content into this recipe. So we are talking, of course, about the beloved acai bowl, and I'm sure you guys have tried this. I'm sure you love it. But I have a secret ingredient that I've been sneaking in there to really give it even more of a nutritional punch. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video.
Okay, so to make your acai bowl, you're going to start with a blender. I happen to have a NutriBullet, so I'm going to be adding in my ingredients in this. And I'm starting with some frozen wild organic blueberries. So I add in about 1/4 cup of blueberries. And then next you want to add in your nut butter. So you could use almond butter, is really good in this. I happen to have some creamy peanut butter on hand. And then next we're going to go ahead and add in 1/2 of 1 large ripe banana. The more ripe it is, the sweeter it's going to be and the better it's going to turn out. And then next we're going to add in our acai powder. So I'm adding in about 1.5 tablespoons. Okay, next up is our secret ingredient, our organic camu powder. I added in about 1/2 tablespoon, but you could add in 1/4 teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in our liquid. So I'm adding in 1/2 cup of dairy-free milk. I am using unsweetened coconut milk. Last but not least, you're just going to add in 1 cup of ice. So you may find if you're using a NutriBullet or something like me that you have to take it off and shake it up a couple of times. It's totally normal. I've also had to go in and add a little bit more liquid in certain times. So once we get that all blended up, it's time for the fun part, which is adding in your toppings. Right now I am loving these organic cacao nibs, and then I also love to top it with some slivered almonds, and last but not least I like to add in some unsweetened coconut, shredded coconut, and it is just delicious.
Okay guys, there you have it. Pretty simple. In less than 5 minutes, we whipped up another gluten and dairy-free treat, the acai bowl with camu powder. So have fun recreating this one at home. Let me know too if you try it. I'd love to hear your comments. Make sure you comment below. And if you haven't already, be sure you like and subscribe. There's a lot more content coming if you like these gluten and dairy-free type of recipes. Plus, we're going to have some great workouts coming soon. Since we're all stuck at home this time of year, it's a great way to just connect with each other, get the endorphins going, feeling good and feeling better. That's what this channel is really about, is making you feel better at the end of the day in very simple, very quick ways. So nothing fancy here, just realistic recipes, realistic workouts that you can do really quickly. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks everybody. Bye.